Good morning. A lot of times we get phone calls from people saying, oh, my shower door, it's glass, it's got some residue on it, or I'm noticing some residue on the faucets, either of the kitchen sink, especially like the oil rubbed bronze, or maybe in the vanity areas. Even if you do have a water softener, the water spots, when they do dry, will sometimes leave a little bit of a visible mark, but usually a damp cloth, and that will take it off. If your water softener is not working correctly, it can leave some hardness on the glass surfaces or on the metallic surfaces of the faucets. So if you notice a little bit of buildup, probably it's time for a tune-up on the water softener. So if you give us a call, we'll ask you some questions, we'll walk you through the process, and if we think it is necessary, we'll come on out, test your water, and maybe make a slight adjustment to your equipment. So just give us a call if you have any questions, and we'll take care of it. Thank you.